Hi, this is Deborah at the Labyrinth, and this video is the last video at this location, but I will be making more videos to annoy everybody. But anyway, seriously, this is a video here about cleaning the rocks. I did a video on how to use gemstones, how to find out what stone that you need, how to pick a stone, finding out what the stone means, and how to actually use it and apply it to bring the energies to you or repel from you. But in all my wisdom, I forgot to tell you how to clean it. So this is about cleaning stones. There's many ways that you can clean your stones. Now you can bury them in the ground, leave them there overnight. You can use the sun and the moon, leave them out for a full 24 hours during the full moon so it gets the sun during the day and then it gets the full moon at night for 24 hours. You could run them under water, preferably spring water, or if you have a well, that's good enough. You can use incense on it or sage on it, put them through the smoke. Now these are the physical things that you're going to do to clean your stones. But the work is internal. Remember that. Whatever we do on the outside is a reflection of what we're doing on the inside. So on the inside, what you're going to see in your head, of course, you're going to ground, connect, and protect. And then you're going to say when it's going to come down, like when I'm done cleaning the stone, when I leave this area, when I put the stone back. You have to say when all that's going to disperse. So you're going to ground, connect, and protect. And then you're going to visualize the stone in your head as you're either running it under the water or you're burying it in the ground or you're putting it over the incense or the sage. And you're going to imagine that stone having like ash on it. And now you're going to call down the gold light from above and you're going to blow it off. And now it's clean. It's very simple. So, and you can use this method to clean tools. You can use it to clean herbs that you're going to use for magical purposes. You can use it to clean rocks. You can use it to clean your book of shadows or your pen that you're going to write with. You can use it to clean anything, okay? Just visualize it in your head and blow the ash off. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Give a thumb up, thumbs down, nasty comment, which will give me lots of information for the next video. And check out all the other social media platforms. Thank you and have a great day. Oh, wait. Also, the phone number is the same, 239-939-2769. And check out all the other information I have on social media. Thank you.